Hi, it's Lee with learningwithlee.com. We're going to keep working on background today. I think I told you I'd tell you about this effect. It's a different kind of background. It has the background color of black, but then it's see-through. So let me show you how to do that. All right, let me show you my code. So we just take it out without that. Still readable. It's a little hard. I wanted to set off the writing section. Now if I just give it a background color of black, okay, they make big black boxes. Right, that's not as nice. You can read it better. There's something in between. Okay, now opacity goes between 0 and 1. Alright, so you can play with that to see the difference. Just a little bit. Can hardly see it. And a high number. Okay, so you can play with it and see how it helps you. Achieve the look however you want it. Okay, so it's called opacity, like an opaque shower or some window, right? The light comes through, but you can't see through. That's opaque. This is more like translucent. You can see through it. But that's opacity. Okay, so you're gonna pick a decimal for your number, and you can. That might be helpful to you as you're layering things, right? That you want to be able to see through something. So you can try that with different things in your code. And on the site, I will have this whole code for how I do that. So these sections, so here's like a section. So class game, I can show you one more thing here. Class game and then class overlay, my words, and then ends the classes. Okay, now all those sections on the page are going to have the same style. Right, let's look for game. Over here's game. Okay, so it has all this stuff for game, and everyone's going to have that. But they're not all going to have the same background image. So I have, for these other things, I have their background images. So I wanted to give these two different classes. So this is class game and class world. Okay, so if you want to give it more than one class, you just put a space and put the second word in there. Now I could have just copied and pasted this for each one, and you can do that and makes your code more cumbersome. And here I could go like this and, say sale image and world image. I could list them all out. But if you give them all the same class, right, then you just do it once and it applies to them all. All right. So this I haven't shown you yet. The flex stuff is how I got it to this on the left, this on the right. We'll get to there. This little effect there, it's something I found online, copied the code and got it into mine and got it working. Little hover effect. Okay, so you can use stuff that you find online. Like now I almost never code from scratch. At least a little bit I take from something I've done before just to get started. If I want something like this and I was like, oh wait, I have that, I won't code it from scratch. I'll go and find it and get the code and put it in. So any little thing you use, it's something you can use in the future. Okay, so opacity, that's your lesson today. And all this code you'll be able to see on the Learning with Lee site. All right, I'll see you next lesson.